Guides are collections of saved places. We can build our own custom guides or find pre-made guides for a particular city or landmark. Favorited locations are automatically saved as a guide. So far, no locations have been marked as a favorite. To do so, just tap on a location and then tap the star button down here. Doing this will add the location to saved places and into the favorites guide. We can also add favorites from the Add button here in the Favorites panel. Next, let's create our own guide for some locations in Chicago. Let's start with the Shed Aquarium. From the More button down here, choose Add to Guides. In this case, I need to create a new guide, which I will simply name Chicago. Notice to the left, we can add a photo to represent this guide. That saves the new guide and Shed Aquarium within it. Let's add the Adler Planetarium next. This time, rather than creating a new guide, we can add this to our Chicago guide. I'll add a few more spots to this guide, which we can then view on either device. Down here in the guide panel, we have some sorting options, along with an Edit button. With this, we can select multiple locations within this guide to either delete from the guide or move to another guide. In this case, I might want to create a Chicago Museums guide that will be separate from the Chicago guide. Building your own guides for an upcoming destination can be a great way to prepare for a trip. Next, let's look at some preset guides for Chicago. To do so, we need to do a search for the city. From here, we can browse several guides. Let's tap on the Winter Spots guide. That brings up a description and a list of all the locations within the guide. The locations are also displayed on the map. Here at the top, we have the option to add this entire guide with every location under Your Guides. We can see that now on both devices. But we can also add specific locations from these preset guides to our own guides. If Bar Tutto looks good, tap the Add button next to it. That adds it to my saved places. From here, it can then be added to my Chicago guide. There are a wide variety of preset guides to explore. They won't be available for every town or location, but most cities and tourist destinations will have preset guides available that we can view and save, or utilize to build our own custom guides.